The Maruti Suzuki Alto K10, a popular small car in India, has received positive reviews for its performance, efficiency, and practicality. Here's a breakdown. Performance: the 1.0L K10C petrol engine delivers 66 PS and 89 Nm of torque with smooth gear shifts in both manual and automatic versions. It's responsive, peppy, and ideal for city commutes as well as occasional highway trips. Fuel efficiency: it offers excellent mileage ranging from 24 kmpl for petrol to 34 km per kilogram for CNG models, making it budget-friendly for daily use. Interior space: despite its compact size, the Alto K10 is spacious enough to comfortably seat 4 adults with sufficient headroom and knee room. Practical features like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and well-placed storage options enhance usability. Low maintenance costs: known for affordability, the Alto K10 is easy on the pocket for both initial purchase and long-term maintenance. Safety features: while it has 2 airbags and basic safety features, it lacks advanced systems which some competitors offer. Build quality: the cabin materials are practical but basic and noise insulation could be improved. Rear comfort: the rear bench is better suited for 2 adults with limited amenities like air vents or adjustable headrests. The Alto K10 is a great value for money option, especially for first-time buyers or those seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient car for city use. However, those seeking advanced safety and comfort features may need to consider alternatives in the same segment. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe channel, like, share video.